Welcome to the vlog. Today is just a regular quick weekday ride, but I'm shooting just in case anything interesting happens. So if you're watching this, something interesting happened? What are you doing here? I know that guy. Hey. Just in case anything happens. Gerald's not racing them. Jer, you can do it, Jer. Race. Jer, you can race them. You totally got it. They're like half your size though, but you know, who cares about weight? You're the big spider. Yeah, on an 8, 9, 10% climb. You can't chill out, huh?
That guy couldn't chill out, man. I was like, what the hell are you doing, bro? He was like super like grinding. I'm like, why are you on the big ring?
Did you like shout at him?
I wanted to. In my mind, I was shouting it like he was in the one before Unforget. You know, like, pretty steep.
It's steep, yeah. It'd be like it's like when you're in front. And then Gerald's right behind you, and then there's a gap that forms. And in my head, I'm shouting, "Close the gap, Jer! Close the gap!" I did! I did close it!
Either you do something about it or you shut up about it.
This video is gonna be about nothing. Okay, di ba you have a ride coming up?
Yes.
What's your ride?
Tell me about that ride.
What's your ride?
Cebu multiply. Cebu divide.
What? What? Cebu divide?
Yes.
Very nice. Are you excited?
Yes.
Is that why nagsige naka-ride? Sige train?
Slowly in my bags. Maybe a tent here.
Hello, is it steep?
It's flat.
It's flat? Not steep at all? Yep. What? Wala lang. Just waiting for you to say something. Hi. Smokey. I brought a coffee, no?
I could have prepared. I didn't know we were coming here.
I think every ride that we do, Jer, you have to bring coffee good for 4 people. Okay?
You guys gonna pay for the beans?
Okay.
Do we have bean sponsors?
Get it from.
Hello?
Hey, sir,
Joe.
we are open to sponsorship of coffee beans so that we can have coffee in the middle of nowhere. Oh, lami as posing.
Natural mountaineer, you know? Oh, fell going up there.
Bro, this wasn't here before, no?
It's kind of easier.
It's easier because these are steps. Like little rocky steps. Yeah.
Never happened.
Oh, but good. Haven't gone here for coffee. Mayu hagid mo posing aning Gino eh. Kiyawa eh. You got this, Jer. You can do it.
Your wall climbing skill.
Kaya niya siya. That's 5 kuadra. 5-0. 5-1.
What's that mean?
Climbing grade.
It's difficulty for bouldering.
Oh. Excuse me, on your right. So we climbed up a little bit and I noticed that Jer wasn't behind us. So I went back down to check and I think he didn't know that we were climbing up some more. And he opted to go down. Now I have to climb back up to Gino and Lilay to tell them that Jer went down. I'm pretty sure he went down.
Yeah. I didn't know I went down. So we'll go down here now.
Okay. Sure. That was fun.
Flashbacks from yesterday.
I knew you wanted to be the first one down, Jer, but
Sorry, man. I didn't know.
it's okay. Let's go.
Did you guys finish Mabini?
No.
Sorry.
Huh? Bye.
Bye. Ride by the numbers.
Sure, right by the number.
Ride by the numbers.
3 hours.
Shout out to the super.
31.9.
And this is the most way claro ride by the numbers. So what's the ride by the number?
31.98 kilometers. 3 hours riding time. That's it. That's all my watch has.
Who cares about all the climbs that we did? Alright, no boring days, please subscribe.